Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are meeting to the theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat, and I am in the Ministry of Heavy Industries looking after the automobile division. And you would have, as you would have heard and known, that automobiles industry is about 151 billion crores in the country, and we are the third largest automotive market in the world. Last year, uh, the contribution of the automobile sector to the Indian economy was 7%. And within the manufacturing sector, it is 42%. So, automobiles is a huge part of the Indian economy. And the way changes are taking place in the automobile industry, particularly towards the cleaner fuels, the green fuels, all of them indicate that the automobiles will be the engine of the growth coming in the future. For example, if you look at the electric vehicles, we see that Niti Aayog has made a projection that till 2030, EVs will grow at a 49% CAGR. And there is also a lot of emphasis on other fuels like hydrogen. The PLI scheme run by the Ministry of Heavy Industries has incentives for hydrogen components which are used in vehicles. So at present, we do not have vehicles running on hydrogen, but looking ahead, say a couple of years, it is very likely that we will see both kinds, hydrogen fuel cell as well as hydrogen ICE engine. In heavy vehicles, trials are already there for hydrogen ICE engines. Uh, Also, the government has a program called the ethanol blending program, you would have known. And by 1st April of 2025, the target is that 20% blending of ethanol has to be achieved. Right now, we have about 12%, which is already being mixed. So, this is likely to result in a huge savings of the fossil fuel which go to run the automobiles. Therefore, the shift towards the cleaner vehicles is very palpable. And I think that the Indian industry is quite geared up to the challenge. Our exports of vehicles, they are also rising. Right now, we export about 14% of the vehicles manufactured in the country. Uh, and of course, India is itself a huge market. So the potential of growth is very high in this sector. And automobile is one sector where it is linked to many other sectors in manufacturing. So wherever automobile industry is there, you will have defense industry also. You will have, because tier 2, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, the tire industry will be there, brakes industry will be there, and linked to electronics. In today's vehicles, 30 to 40% cost is only electronics. So there is a push for those associated components and systems also. And looking at the efforts which the government is making, I would only say that the FAME scheme or the PLI schemes, they only provide the fiscal benefits. They only provide the incentives. But government has there are some non-fiscal incentives also. So the push of the government is to facilitate the development of the automobile industry and for the manufacturing industry. And that is a vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat in 2047, where a roadmap have been laid down that how facilitation between various sectors of the industry, government, and research labs and other stakeholders can be made. So I think we can only work together by the conversations like this, which very nicely Elets has arranged today. It is through such interactions that we learn from each other, and that is how the government makes policies also. Because unless government hears from the stakeholders that what kind of support and what kind of facilitation is required, that is how we should progress as a nation. So I really congratulate you for organizing the conference, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.